Do sump pumps lower a home's value? Homeowners in Schertz, Texas ask this all the time, especially when they're thinking about selling. The good news is no, sump pumps do not lower your home's value. In many cases, they actually boost buyer confidence because they help protect against water damage, mold, and even foundation problems. Most buyers see a working sump pump as a sign that the home has been well cared for. Here in Schertz, Texas, moisture protection systems can really help your home stand out during an inspection. The key is making sure your sump pump is clean, tested, and working properly. A neglected pump can raise red flags, but a well-maintained one gives buyers peace of mind. For peace of mind that your sump pump is ready when it matters most, call A&A Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling today for a professional evaluation.